So question number 5, this one. So first of all, what I will do, this one I will break it into formula. Y square plus z square minus twice yz plus y, z square plus x square minus twice zx plus z, x square plus y square minus twice xy plus 8xyz. So this is equals to x I will multiply to xy square plus xz square minus twice xyz plus yz square plus yx square minus twice xyz plus zx square plus zy square minus twice xyz plus 8xyz. So now this is equals to xy square xy square plus this one I will plus zy square plus xz square plus y z square plus yx square this is your 1 minute yx square plus zx square, okay, and this is minus 2xyz minus 2xyz minus 2xyz. I will get minus 6xyz plus 8xyz. So this is equals to y square. I will common take x plus z plus z square. I will common take x plus y plus x square. I will common take y plus z plus 2xyz. I will get. Understand? And now in here you see this thing, I can write it here in this way also. Okay, this thing you see, this is the formula. There is a formula, okay, and this is, you see, there is a formula, and this formula is, you see, this is, okay, this thing I can write it as x square y plus z plus y square x plus z plus z square x plus y plus 2xyz. So this is ultimately it becomes y plus z into x plus z into x plus y. So this is our answer. Understand? Okay. So if you check the back answer here, the back answer y plus z, x plus y, and x plus z, or this one, same thing only. Understand? This is your formula. Okay. Next, I will go to question number. You see. 6 I will not go. Question number 6 I will not go. Question number 6 we will do later. Now we will go to question number 7. Okay, we will go to question number 7. Okay, so in here you see question number 7. Question number 7. So this is x cube y square minus z square plus y cube z square minus x square plus z cube x square minus y square. Okay, so this is in here our solution. So question number 7, in here you see direct, it is formula there. Okay, question number 7, this is your this one, you see formula number 14. Okay, formula number 14. A cube b square minus c square. This is, you can consider as a cube b square minus c square plus b cube c square minus a square, b cube c square minus a square plus c cube a square minus b square, c cube a square minus b square. Okay, so therefore this is equals to this. So therefore I can write it directly. I can write because this is formula there. So this will be x cube y square minus z square plus y cube z square minus x square plus z cube x square minus y square. This is equals to, according to the formula, I will get minus minus y minus z, z minus x, x minus y, and then yz plus zx plus xy. Okay, so this is our answer. Understand? This is our answer. Next we will go to question number 9 here. Okay, next we will go to question number 8. Sorry. So next we will go to question number 8. Question number 8, it is saying x square y minus z the whole cube plus y square z minus x the whole cube plus z square x minus y the whole cube. So this is our solution. So in here you see, I will break it into formula. Okay, this one, x square, this becomes y cube minus z cube minus 3 yz, y minus z plus y square. This is z cube minus x cube minus 3zx, z minus x, and this is z square, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy, x minus y. Okay. So next you see is equals to this one. Now what I will do, first of all, x square y cube minus z cube minus 3y square z plus 3yz square plus y square, z cube minus x cube minus 3z square x plus 3zx square plus z square. This will be x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, so now this is equals to, now what will I do? I will multiply it. Okay, x square I will multiply it, y square I will multiply it, and z square also I will multiply it. Okay, so therefore is equals to, I will get x square y cube minus x square z cube minus 3x square y square z plus 3x square y z square plus y square x y square z cube minus y square x cube minus 3z square x y square plus 3zx square y square plus z square x cube minus z square y cube minus 3x square y z square plus 3xy square z square. Okay, so again is equals to, now you see, what will I do? This is our x square y cube, okay, x square y cube, and x square y cube, and then this one you see, x square y cube and minus z square y cube, I will write together, minus z square y cube. Okay, and then again this one, minus x square z cube, this one, and y square z cube, this one I will write them together, plus y square z cube. Okay, and then next minus y square z cube plus z square x cube, I will write them together, plus z square x cube I will write them together. Okay, and then after that this is minus 3x square y square z. Okay, 3x square y square z plus 3x square y z square this is minus 3z square xy square plus 3zx square y square, okay, and then this one minus 3x square yz square plus 3xy square z square, okay. So now you see, now what will happen? From here you see y cube I will take common. This is y cube x square minus z square, and from here I will take plus z cube I will take common. So I will get y square minus x square, z cube I will take common, so y square minus x square plus x cube I will take common, z square minus y square, okay, z square minus y square. And from these two, you see, from these two I will take plus 3xyz common. So I will get, you see, I will get xz minus xy I will get, okay, xz minus xy I will get. And okay, no need to take any common here. So you see, directly I can do, you see, minus 3x square y square z, and this is plus 3x square y square z. So this and this I can cut, and then again plus 3x square y z square, and this one minus 3x square y z square common. This one I can cut, and again minus 3z square xy square and plus 3xy square z square. So ultimately I will get this here, okay. So now you see this this one I got it into a formula. This is one formula there. So this formula is minus, it will be x minus z, y minus x, and z minus y into xz plus yx plus zx, okay, plus plus zy, sorry, zy, okay. So now you see, this is why is it? So in here, okay. So this is, you can keep it in this way, or you see minus, if you multiply it with this one, okay, you will get z minus x, okay, z minus x, and if you take common, if you take minus common from here, minus, you will get x minus y. These all are multiply going on, okay. This is minus x minus y, and then this is minus y minus z, okay, y minus z, and this is, you can say, xy plus yz plus zx, or xy plus zx, okay. So now you see this becomes your this one minus into minus plus becomes, so ultimately you can write it as x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. So this is your answer. Understand? This is your answer. Okay. So next I will go to question number 9. Okay, next I will go to question number 9 here. So type 2 question number 9, it is saying that p minus a the whole square, b minus c, plus p minus b the whole square, plus c minus a, plus p minus c the whole square, a minus b. So this is your solution here. So this one, you see, this one I will break it into formula. Let me write the question first. B minus c, p minus b the whole square, c minus a, plus p minus c the whole square, a minus b. So this one is, I will break it into formula. I will get p square plus a square minus twice pa, and this is b minus c, plus p square plus b square minus twice pb into c minus a, plus p square plus c square minus twice pc into a minus b. Okay. So now what I will do here, this one again I will multiply it. Okay, b minus c into p square, p square plus a square minus twice pa. I will again multiply it. So this one you see, let me write it in this way: b minus c, p square plus a square minus twice pa plus c minus a, p square plus b square minus twice pb plus a minus b, p square plus c square minus twice pc. So this is b into p square plus a square minus twice pa minus c into p square plus a square minus twice pa plus c into p square plus b square minus twice pb minus a into p square plus b square minus twice pb plus a into p square plus c square minus twice pc minus b into p square plus c square minus twice pc. Okay, so now you see is equals to this will be bp square plus ba square minus twice PAB minus CP square minus CA square plus twice PAC plus CP square CB square minus twice PBC minus AP square minus AB square plus twice PAB plus AP square plus AC square minus twice APC minus BP square minus BC square plus twice BC B. So in here you see BP square, BB square, and this is you see plus BP square minus BP square cancel, BA square, this one. BA square okay, this one you see CP minus CP square plus CP square cancel minus CA square next plus 2 PAC plus 2 PAC and this one you see minus 2 APC. PAC, APC same only, so this and this cancel. Minus 2 PBC and plus 2 PCB same, so this is I can cut. Plus 2 PAB and minus 2 PAB cut. And after that minus AP square plus AP square cut, and then okay, so ultimately I am left with BA square minus CA square plus CB square minus AB square plus AC square minus BC square. Okay, I am left with this one now. So this is you see from here if I take a square common I will get b minus c. From here if I take b square common I will get c minus a, and from here if I take c square common I will get a minus b. Okay, so this one I got. So you see this is the formula of, in here one formula it is there, or you can see from your book also, this is your formula there. This one you see, your first this formula, this one. Okay, formula number 11. A square b minus c plus b square c minus a plus c square a minus b. This gives me minus b minus c minus a minus b. Okay, let me check the back answer here. So your back answer, this is 2 number 9. Yes, this is correct. This is your answer. Understand? So this is your type 2 number 9. Next I will go to type 2 number 10. Okay, this is type 2 number 10. So type 2 number 10, this is a square minus b square, a plus b, plus b square minus c square, b plus c, plus c square minus a square, c plus a. Okay, so this is your solution. So now in here you see, this one I can write it as a minus b, a plus b, a plus b, plus b minus c, b plus c, b plus c, plus c minus a, c plus a, c plus a. Okay, so this thing it gives me this one you see, this one I can write it as a plus b, a minus b, a minus b, a plus b the whole square, plus b minus c, b plus c the whole square, c minus a, c plus a the whole square. Okay, a minus b, this is a square plus b square plus twice ab, plus b minus c, this is b square plus c square plus twice bc, plus c minus a, this is c square plus a square plus twice ca. This is equals to a minus b. This one what I will do now, I will multiply to this, a square plus b square plus twice ab, minus b, a square plus b square plus twice ab, plus b square plus c square plus twice bc, minus c, b square plus c square plus twice bc, plus c square plus a square plus twice ca, minus a, c square plus a square plus twice ca. So now this is equals to a cube plus ab square plus twice a square b, minus ba square minus b cube minus twice ab square, plus b cube plus cb square plus twice b square c, minus cb square minus c cube, minus this is 2, minus 2bc square, plus c cube plus ca square plus 2c square a, minus ac square minus a cube minus 2ca square. Okay, so now in here you see, this is ab square, okay, first of all let me write this. Okay, minus b cube plus b cube cancel out, and then plus a cube minus a cube cancel out, minus c cube plus c cube cancel out, and now so this is ab square, is there any, this is minus 2ab square, minus 2ab square plus 2a square b, minus ba square, or a square b same thing only, minus this is again this is bc square, ca square. Okay, so this is twice ab square, ab square minus b square. Now this is bc square, this is bc square, this one, minus 2bc square plus 2b square c, minus cb square, and then again plus ca square minus 2ca square, and then plus 2c square a and minus ac square. Okay, understand? Next what becomes, you see, this one it becomes minus ab square, this one becomes plus a square b this one it becomes minus bc square, this one it becomes plus b square c, this one it becomes minus ca square, and this one becomes plus ac square or ca square, whatever you write. I am writing ac square. Okay, so now in here okay, in here if I take AB common, I will get minus B plus A I will get, okay, minus B plus A. Again in here if I take BC common, then minus B plus minus C plus B I will get, and in here if I take CA common, then minus A plus C I will get. So this is ultimately how we can write. Okay, let me instead of writing in this way, because again I will have to write A minus B, B minus C, C minus C. Instead of writing in this way, I will write it in one way, in one go only. Okay, I will write it in one go. So this one I am writing in this way. You see, this is AB. AB, it will be A minus B. Okay, AB A minus B plus BC, it will be B minus C plus CA, it will be C minus A. Okay, now this is, you see, formula there, AB A minus B plus BC B minus C plus CA C minus A. This is, you see, formula there, and that formula it is this one, you see. This one, formula number 12. Okay, formula number 12. You look at your book nicely. Okay, formula number 12. So according to formula number 12, BC B minus C plus CA C minus A plus AB A minus B, or same thing only. This one or BC, like that, same thing only. Okay, so this is according to the formula. It becomes is equals to minus this is B minus C, C minus A minus B. So this is your answer. Understand? This is your answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Next we will go to type 3. Okay, next we will go to type 3.